live from Tijuana, Mexico. Here I am, okay, at our beautiful clinic. Now, one of the things that we've got a holistic dentist, we've got IVs, we've got stem cells, and I'm actually going to do stem cells tomorrow, okay, and corrective chiropractic, where we can literally take an x-ray, restore the curve, and reverse arthritis. Now think of this. There's only 3 stressors in the world, and when you think of every disease, and just think of like high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, inflammatory bowel disease, anxiety, and stress, there's physical, chemical, and emotional stressors. Those 3 stressors are linked to all of those because you've got an automatic nervous system, and this nervous system does everything in the body. It regulates blood pressure, cholesterol, digestion, everything. One part keeps you alive under stress, and that's the sympathetic or fight or flight. So if I'm standing on your foot, instantly the pupils are going to dilate, the heart rate goes up, liver's going to start breaking glycogen down to glucose, and this is a normal chronic response to that stress. Now, if I'm standing on your foot for 1 day, 2 days, a year, 5 years, guess what you're misdiagnosed with? When our insane medical system, instead of identifying the physical, chemical, and emotional stress, they're going to give you a diuretic or a beta blocker to lower the blood pressure. Really, without addressing the physical, chemical, or emotional cause of that stress? Yes, that's true. That's why 50 years from now, they're going to look back and say, my gosh, how could they not address the underlying cause? So when you're looking at this, look at your health, okay? But I mean look at your health in a different way. How many bowel movements a day do you get? You should get 2 to 3. How are your sleep patterns working? Are you getting up at night to pee? Are you waking up with tons of energy, vital and refreshed? How's your mental attitude? Do you have a positive mental attitude? Are you enjoying the day? Or do you have physical, chemical, emotional stress? Do you have trouble getting out of bed? Do you have fatigue during the day? Do you have 1 bowel movement a day if you're lucky, okay? And do you have thoughts of anxiety and stress? Look at that. That is the majority of people today, unless they take charge of their health. Do not medicate the response to stress. Do not medicate the response to stress. That means if you're taking a drug for type 2 diabetes, gosh, look at the video Simply Raw by Gabriel Cousens. If you're taking a drug for blood pressure, for goodness sake, identify the physical, chemical, and emotional stress, because those drugs, diuretics, can damage the kidneys. Beta blockers can damage your body. If you're taking 3 blood pressure drugs, that is lowering your blood pressure, and that's going to cause your blood vessels to tighten up, to constrict in order to raise it back up. This is why blood pressure drugs are linked to higher rates of stroke. I know, it's crazy. If your cholesterol is going up, cholesterol actually has a function in the body. It's the 50% of your weight of your brain. It's a precursor to every stress hormone you make. So you need cholesterol. Body, 80% of your cholesterol is produced by your liver. And you need this. It's a precursor to every glucocorticosteroid, minocorticosteroid, and sex hormone. You need this. So cholesterol, if you take a drug to lower it, you're talking increased hardening of the arteries and heart failure. And that's not good for you. So right now, find a way, find a doctor who's honest to goodness going to look at your physical, chemical, emotional stress. We identify it through digital x-rays, nerve scans, 3 different nerve scans, thermography, full torso thermography, full body thermography if we think it's necessary, and a live blood cell analysis. And then we do a CBC, or complete blood cell count. I mean, everything. That is a way to look at the stressors. Oh, we also do a panoramic digital x-ray, and it's reviewed by a Huggins protocol dentist. I mean, if you got any other test that we can do, let me know, I'll add it. Identify the problem and fix it. Do not drug the symptoms. And I'll see you here in Tijuana or Huntington Beach.